Today I have a Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer fluid in order to clean your windshield on this particular Nissan Frontier. I'm going to show you how to do this. All right. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right. So I'm inside of the Nissan Frontier. In order to turn on the windshield wipers and washer, what you're going to do is you're going to look through the steering wheel, and you see the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do right here is I am looking right here. In order to turn on the windshield wipers, the first thing I'm going to do is it is in the off position. If you get a mist on your windshield, what you'll do is you'll take this lever, push it upwards, and it washes the mist away. And when you release the lever, it should stop and go back into place. That's for mist. And it goes back to the off position. Now, to turn it into interval setting, where it automatically detects right here, what you do is you'll take it, it's in the off position. I'm going to take it, go into the interval position, and then what I'll do is I'll turn this, and you can increase the interval just like this, okay? Increase the interval to a high interval. Let me show you on the windshield. See that? This is how you change the interval, and then you can slow it down like that. Now, if you want to put it just in the low position, you take this lever, and it's in the interval right now. I'll just take the lever and go down one, and it is in the low interval setting. And if I want it in, or excuse me, it's not in the low interval setting, it's in the low manual setting. Now, if I want it in the high manual setting, I'll take this lever and go down all the way to the bottom, and it is in the high interval setting. Now, to turn off the windshield wipers, I'll just take this lever and pull it all the way up and release it, and it should stop. Now, to turn on the windshield washer fluid to wash the windshield, what I'll do is I'll take this lever and I will push it, or excuse me, pull it towards me, and watch what happens. I'm going to pull it towards me, and look what happens. It sprays the windshield just like that. It cleans the windshield, and when I release it, it takes another couple of wipes, and then it will stop just like that. And that is how you operate the windshield wipers in this Nissan Frontier, as well as the windshield washer in this Nissan Frontier. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.